Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Techbasic. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for Ron Brown Scholarship account. To sign up for Ron Brown Scholarship, first of all launch open a web browser. Go to the URL box and type in ronbrown.org and search. You will now end up in the official website for Ron Brown. From the main homepage, click on the RBS Connect button at the top right corner and click on Enter. Now, scroll down and click on the Login/Sign Up option on the right hand side of the screen. Select one of the options you would like to sign up or log in with, displayed on the screen. You can also choose the email option. To do so, go ahead and type in your email and click Submit, or choose one of the social sites on the screen. Now you'll need to verify your email. Enter the email code that you received on the particular email that you just entered. You'll receive a verification code which you'll need to type it down in the text box. After you do that, click on Submit. Now, create your account by entering your first name, last name, and affiliation information. After you do that, click on Create Account, enter a mobile phone number and the name of your city, and click on Proceed. Now follow through the on-screen prompts till the end, and you will be able to complete your profile, and there you have successfully created Ron Brown Scholarship account. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.